This is the DIY Garden Minute by Spoken Garden, teaching you tips and tricks for your garden in minutes. Find more quick topics at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab. Today, I want to tell you 5 different alternatives to plastic containers that you can use in your garden right now. You grow your plants in containers for many reasons. To optimize your growing space, to take advantage of different container heights for specific plants, to help accentuate different plant leaf or flower colors, to frame entrances or to control traffic, or even to help draw the eye to that garden focal point. There are so many containers these days made from plastics and plastic resins, so what alternatives are there to plastic containers? If you've been thinking of moving away from using plastic containers in your garden, here are 5 specific alternatives that will help you lessen your environmental impact and be a good steward of your garden and the area you live in. To start our list of container alternatives, let's talk about fabric containers, bags, or pots. A great example of these is Smart Pots. They manufacture many different shapes and sizes of fabric containers to fit the many needs of all vegetable and flower gardens. Check out their 6-foot, 8-foot, or 12-foot long raised garden beds and make sure to take a peek at their round fabric planters. And best of all, they're made in the USA. Our second alternative to plastic containers is cocoa fiber pots. A great example of these are sold by Gardener's Supply. Their 12-inch round pot is very versatile and useful around a garden. And it can be composted when it no longer can sustain its shape. Now, our third plastic alternative is metal containers. A really fun trend the last couple of years has been adding metal horse troughs to give any garden that laid-back country feel. Many homesteaders like using different sizes and shapes to make their gardens as unique as possible. They come with or without a bottom for your different drainage needs, too. Click over to Gardener's Supply or Tractor Supply to see their fun selection. Now, our fourth plastic container alternative are wood containers. These are a tried and true classic kind of container for your garden. That wood look can give any garden a sense of age and beauty, and different shades of brown help blend each container with its plants into your landscape. These are available everywhere, but definitely check your local garden center or nurseries to see what unique and handmade wood containers they have. And our last plastic alternative are terracotta containers. These are another classic garden container. These give a sense of antiquity as clay pots have been used for thousands of years in gardens across the world. Having these kinds of containers around a garden can give a feel of vast age and being a part of a vast garden lineage of vegetable, herb, and flower growers. And these containers can last a very long time in your garden if properly taken care of. Check your local garden centers for any deals, and if you're shopping online, definitely check out Gardener's Supply. These are only 5 of many different container alternatives, but we really like these. Make sure to check out all the links in this episode's description and take advantage of our partnership with Smart Pots to get 10% off your total purchase by using the coupon code SpokenGarden at checkout. So, what containers do you use in your garden? Are any an alternative to plastic? Let us know by tagging us on Instagram, Facebook, or on X. We'd love to follow your garden journey. If you want to learn more about specific garden topics, you can always go to spokengarden.com and type your garden topic into the search bar at the top right of the page. Also, if you're looking for any deals on garden supplies, seeds, bulbs, or containers, head over to our Spoken Garden Deals page to save money on your next garden online purchase at spokengarden.com/deals. All the links will be in this episode's description. Thank you for listening. You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab at the top of the page. And make sure to subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss future quick garden episodes. We'll see you in the garden.